Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you how we can easily mute all in BlueJeans. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just click here on people, and right when you're gonna do it, you're gonna see mute all, right? When you're gonna click on it, you just click on it and then you can like unmute all. That's like really up to you. So yeah, thank you very much. If you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. And yeah, goodbye. So again, you just click here to people and mute all.